some of the kids doing what they do.
This is hard.
I know it is hard.
That's already. That has to be thicker. Like you gave that one over.
Right over here in the pink top.
Hi, Sister Glenn. Right here.
Yeah, they're laying right now.
You know I ended up losing your number. I had to reset my phone. Oh, did you? Okay.
You know you about have to have a pick on some of them, don't you?
Yes.
You know, I used to have a little funny story about it. You have to have in order to plant anything, you have to have a pick, a strong shovel, and a stick of dynamite.
Yeah. I have to go straight for the stick of dynamite and say, forget her.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to make these.
Okay.
The main idea was that you have somewhere out of your
Yeah.
It's good to see you, Jerry. It's good to see you, man.
It's good to see you.
You want to jump in Jerry? Zay, can you get a bag over here to us?
You know, that whacked me in the head.
What did?
Yeah. Be careful, don't lift it up all the way.
No. We start here. That sound like you in your slave trade. No, it's okay. We just joking around.
So, did your boys still like that tent?
Yeah, they're right behind you.
Oh, really? I didn't see them.
Yeah, they're here.
Man, I'm just focused on this. That's terrible, Eric.
I know you could live stream. I thought it was just like, you know, I don't know.
You guys are doing something here.
I know that.
Yeah.
And that does count.
Well, we are trying to bring vegetables, fresh fruit to our community.
And it's really nice that the crew come out.
Yes. And they actually sponsored a lot of this work that you see going on.
Man, that's great.
Oh, well. That's what we got.
My goodness gracious, Jerry, that's so hard.
Used to be a tree here.
Isn't that fun?
I got sweat in my eye. You getting me real good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
What, you need this? Okay.
Good morning, sir. Afternoon. How you guys doing?
Good.
Go bring me your shovel.
Here, let me dig it out while I'm here.
Jada, and don't lift it up like that.
Be careful, you'll hit you in the head. That I got proof.
Okay. Can I help over here?
Yeah, but this ground is hard, Ryan. That's why I'm breaking it up. So.
You got to break it up. If you aren't, you're going to break it up. You got a problem.
Yeah, you see that? It's not that easy. Matter of fact, why don't you come help and just spread the dirt around?
Alright.
Just to make it so.
That's important too.
There's a whole bunch over there.
Yeah. For the water tank, for the pump on the water tank. Yeah, that's how we get the water out.
Alright, where do I need to put the dirt? Right there.
That's her. You see, look, you see all of them like that?
Yeah.